Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video, I am just here to talk about hair. As we go on living our lives, our hair needs that much required TLC. Our hair gets damaged on an everyday basis. It may be because of the pollution, the dust that's in the environment, or the styling products, or the heating tools that you're applying onto your hair, or it could be the chemicals. But it's really important to take good care of your hair, and we are usually keeping so busy that we're not able to follow a good hair care routine. And I was getting so many DMs, and upon receiving so many requests, I thought I should just do a simple hair care routine. And I'm going to be using products by Plum Goodness, and this hair care routine is just a 3-step routine which is super simple to follow, and you can follow this like very easily on an everyday basis. So I'm using the olive and macadamia range by Plum Goodness. This range is in fact free from these 7 harmful chemicals, so which is why they have this 7 free formula logo right here. So this range by Plum Goodness is full of just the right kind of things that your hair needs. It removes all sorts of dryness, dullness, or frizziness that your hair may go through, leaving them soft, shiny, and smooth. This set has a healthy hydration shampoo, rich nourish conditioner, and the mega moisturizing hair mask. So olive and macadamia both are actually natural hydrators for the hair. They give plenty of softness, strength, and they kind of like just make the hair very smooth, undoing all the damage that the chemical treatments or the environmental hazards have done to your hair. The shampoo is a healthy hydrating shampoo for dry, dull, and damaged hair. It's enriched with olive oil and 8 other plant-based oils. It is free from sulfates, silicones, and any other damaging ingredient, and it has such a pleasant smell that leaves your hair just smelling so fresh and so pleasant. Gently lather up an adequate amount of shampoo onto wet hair, massage it thoroughly into the roots and then going towards the ends. Rinse off thoroughly and make sure you don't run a comb through your wet hair. As far as possible, let your hair air dry. This lotion-like formula with plant-based proteins and conditioning agents that brings life back into dull and damaged hair. The olive in it makes the hair smooth and shiny, the macadamia will make the hair frizz-free, and the plant-based keratins will kind of just give that extra strength to your hair. So it's a win-win situation for your hair and for the planet too. Take the required amount of conditioner onto your palms and apply it just to your ends, and make sure to not apply it onto your scalp. Try and apply it on as many individual strands as possible, and then just leave it for a few minutes. The longer the better, of course. And rinse off with water and gently just pat dry. The hair mask is a mega moisturizing product with a creamy texture and olive derivatives. Now this one is literally the perfect product for dryness and frizziness. It makes the hair instantly smooth, and especially if your hair is chemically treated, then this one is definitely a must try. Take a little amount of the mask onto your palms and apply generously to your hair, paying special attention to the ends. Once it's all applied, put on a shower cap around your hair and leave it for 20 minutes. This is the perfect time to relax, and then rinse thoroughly later. So I've used the conditioner, the shampoo, and the hair mask, and let me tell you, this range is perfect for dry, damaged, and chemically treated hair. My hair myself has become a lot more. I haven't done anything to my hair right now, it's just straight from the shower, and it has become a lot more manageable, tame-free, frizz-free, less drier, and I think it's become more softer. There's a shine also, if you can just see. Can you see the difference? Yeah, so definitely if your hair is dry, damaged, or chemically treated, try this range. It is going to do wonders onto your hair, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will see you very soon. Bye.